So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Justin. I'm Amanda's partner, and I also help out a little bit behind the scenes. So I'll pack, label, and take the orders to the post office. So I know today looks a little different. Amanda's not in front of the camera, it's me today. We want to put out a video that we both think is really important, and Amanda's really excited about it, and I think you guys will get a lot from it, but we need a little more time. So today I'm kind of filling in the gap with just a little video on what it looks like to be an employee or a helper from my perspective. Hopefully today you guys can gain a little bit of knowledge on what it looks like to have an employee or a helper, as well as just kind of see the process that I go through when I come in and work with Amanda. So with that being said, let's get started on the day and have some fun. The first thing I do when I get in the morning is take some time to assess what we have left to do from the previous week. Today, that was finish processing some plush that we had left over. So while Amanda was doing that, I went and I grabbed breakfast for us. I know it's really simple and it's kind of silly, but that can be really helpful to start out the day. So that's what I did. That's what we needed. After we ate, I just started to prep for the next orders that we needed to package. So that'll look like me just kind of either cleaning up, getting the tape ready, and just making sure things are where they need to be. Once we're ready, Amanda will start putting the bundles together, and I'll start packaging as she's putting them in order. It kind of helps make things move a little smoother and quicker. So you'll see me having a little trouble packing some of these orders, and that's because we're running a little low on boxes today. Amanda likes to source boxes by recycling, which is honestly really awesome, but every once in a while we can run low, which is no problem. We get to what we can get to, and then if we can't package something, we just wait until we find the boxes for it. I will say I am not near as talented as Amanda is at packing these things. She puts so much care and love into packing all of you guys' orders, and I try to do the same, but sometimes I can be a little clumsy, and I'm sure you can see it a little bit in this video, but ultimately I try my best to make things work. Once we're done packing everything we can pack, we start labeling. So on a day like today, it just works out that Amanda is way faster of a labeler as well. But our little process that we have is that she will make the label, and then I will pull it, put it on the package, and then set the package to the side and organize everything. I know it doesn't seem that helpful, but if you guys have ever done this, you know that that step can actually add a few seconds on to every package. So stuff like that actually makes it a little easier for us to move through everything we need to move through. Finally, now that we're done labeling and processing everything, I'm going to start moving everything to the car to take to the post office. Let's go! Now that I've been working with Amanda for a little over a year now, off and on, but consistently for a few months, I definitely see that this whole process of shipping comes down to two things. One, efficiency. So not really wasting time when we don't need to waste time on things such as, like today, trying to package something that just isn't going to fit right now because we don't have the box for it. And it also comes down to quality. She takes great pride in sending you guys packages that are going to last, because we all know sometimes it can be a little rough out there in the mailing industry. And she wants to make sure that you guys are really happy when you see that box. I don't know if you know this, but she even loves when you see the right books in the right order when you open the package. That's the kind of stuff she thinks about. It's really small, and to be quite honest, I wouldn't notice something like that if I was opening a box of books, but some of you guys do. And those are the little touches that she loves to put on her product that something like me notices in the process that she's built. Ultimately, oh, this is crazy. The mail trucks are still here. So then something silly like this happens, and I can't tell you how many times it's happened to Amanda and I, where you show up to the post office and realize it's a holiday. I don't even know what holiday it is. What? All right, so you roll with the punches. Here we go. So guess what? Today is a holiday.
What's today?
I don't know.
Kids have school.
Yeah. But the postal workers don't.
It's the 14th of October.
Yeah.
Columbus Day. The boys have school today, though.
Yeah.
Columbus Day or Indigenous Peoples Day counts as a holiday.
Cool. Alright guys, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. It really means a lot. Hopefully you guys got something out of today. Again, I'm no Amanda. I don't claim to be. She's a master of her craft, and she obviously knows a lot more about this stuff than I do. But I feel like I have a few nuggets of wisdom that maybe you were able to pick up, and if not, hopefully you just enjoyed coming along with me today and seeing a little bit different of a perspective. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.